guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Ray. Thank you so much for being here. So today I wanted to show you how I achieve my super everyday, natural kind of look. Just kidding, I am doing a festival look. Coachella is coming up and I wanted to do something a little fun and colorful and just have fun with makeup. So that's what I did today. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. So I started out with tape on my eyes and I'm really winging these shadows out, so I wanted a guide. So I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going in with Silk Cream. And I'm using Silk Cream in my crease. And I just took that same color on a bigger, fluffier brush just to build up the color really nicely. Now taking the shade Pooter, and I am buffing that into my crease as well. Now I'm going in with the shade Jada, and I've never used this color before, but it's such a gorgeous green-blue matte. Now I'm taking the shade Twerk and putting it right on top over where I put Jada. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and this part is a little tricky if you are a beginner, but if you use a nice precise brush, you should be able to get a nice clean line. This is probably like the second cut crease I've ever done in my life, and the brush that I started using was definitely wrong for it, so it really does depend on the brush. After using the wrong brush, I picked up this Real Techniques little detailer brush, and it gave me the perfect cut crease. So if you are looking for a small detailer brush, I would 100% recommend this one. As you can see, this is taking me quite a long time, but I really wanted it to be perfect, so I really focused on perfecting those lines and making them as straight as they could be. Now I'm taking the shade Pool Party and I'm going all over my lid right where I just put that concealer down. I'm gonna put on the rest of my face and I will be right back. Now for the crying glitter, I'm taking my e.l.f. glitter glue and I'm just kind of haphazardly putting that all underneath my eye. Now I'm using loose glitter and I'm being very careful not to like get it in my eye or anything. But I've got this glitter on Amazon. It was super cheap. If I can find it, I will leave a link for it down below. For the glitter, I use different shades of purple and blue and silver. After putting that glitter on, I realized I had nothing on my lower lash line, so I just took a little bit of Pool Party and buffed that along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go off of camera and put glitter on my other eye and I will be right back. To finish off this look, I just went in with my Benefit Roller Lash. Of course you can use lashes, but I decided not to. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I had so much fun filming this for you guys, so if you liked it, then please let me know and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. I'm thinking about doing a similar look, but using warm tones instead, so if you'd like to see that, then let me know. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to follow me on my YouTube journey, and hit that little notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And that's it for now, so I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!